Hey guys, welcome back to Mizter Octa. Today, we're going to talk about the future of the universe and what lies ahead for it. As we all know, the universe is vast and infinite, and it's constantly changing and evolving. But what happens when all the stars in the universe fade to black and nothing remains but space and emptiness? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Science has proven that the universe's stars will eventually fade to black, and nothing will remain but space and emptiness. But what does that mean for the future of the universe? Will there be another reality unfolding out of nothing, or will the universe eventually collapse into a singularity and end forever? Well, that's where speculation and theories come in. Some scientists believe that the universe may have a parallel dimension, where life can continue on even after the stars have faded to black. They also believe that the universe may have a hidden mechanism that prevents it from collapsing into a singularity, and that the life we know may continue on even after the stars have faded to black. Others speculate that the universe may continue to expand forever, and that eventually, it will become so vast that it will no longer be able to support life as we know it. They believe that the stars may eventually become so massive that they will fuse together and create a new type of star, a black hole, which would swallow up everything in its path. So, what do you think? Do you believe in the possibility of another reality unfolding out of nothing? Or do you think that the universe will eventually collapse into a singularity and end forever? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.